the President and Chief Executive.
Ito yung naming and the delivery ceremony of HAL number SC443. Ayan.
Officer of the Aboitiz Group of Companies, Mr. Sabin Aboitiz, for your kind introduction. Please be seated.
Oh, kasi ito yung ginawa na barko ng Aboitiz na kung saan gawang Pilipino, no? Manufactured here, gawa ng kamay ng Pilipino sa Pilipinas, tapos ginagamit ng mga sailor ng mga Pilipino.
The officials and employees of Tsuneshi Group Corporation, led
Parang
by
mas maganda
President
yung isang natin.
Katsushige Kambara, the Philippine Economic Zone Authority Director General,
Forward na natin,
stand shoulder to shoulder with the best. Importantly, a showcase of Filipino craftsmanship, ingenuity, and competitiveness.
Yun.
It proves once again that what is made in the Philippines can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best.
Shoulder to shoulder, oh. 'Di ba? Alam nyo ba yung yung head to shoulder, 'di ba? Ganun kalalaki yung mga taong 'yan. Hanggang shoulder lang nila tayo. Ngayon shoulder to shoulder, 'yan ang ating 'di ba?
Best of anywhere in the world. The Kamsarmax vessel SC443 is designed to significantly reduce emissions of carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur oxides. It places the Philippines firmly on the map as a future-ready maritime manufacturing hub, aligned with International Maritime Organization decarbonization targets and global sustainability standards.
Grabe, oh. Walang binabasa, oh. Puch. Hindi ko na ikukumpara dun sa dati, no? Eto, walang binabasa yung dati, eh. Ay, Ma'am Yayaning! Positive nga. Iba nga si Ma'am Neng Gigi. Ma'am Yayaning. Shout out.
It is especially vital as we move towards green shipping, an approach that
It is totally vital as we move to green shipping. Kopyahin ko kaya yan.
embraces cleaner fuels.
Embraces cleaner fuels. Now we can stand shoulder to shoulder. Mapapractice ko to, Sa tingin ko makukuha ko to, no? Yung dati, itok-itok.
Optimized vessel design, improved energy management, and
Optimize vessel design. Improve fuel management. Mahirap. Iba yung Iba yung datingan, no? Head and shoulder shampoo. Shampoo ba yun? Oh, yan. Panoorin nyo na lang din sa Birahan PH. So, ang hand in hand tayo dyan with Aboitiz, no? So, palakpakan tayo dyan. Talaga napakagaling yan, no? Sana patuloy na yung pagmamanufacture natin, no, ng ating sariling mga vapor. Vapor. Oh. Asang-asa kasi si PBBM kay Apo Lakay, eh. Oo. Manang-mana talaga, no? Better fuel management. Hindi ko Now we can stand shoulder to shoulder with other nationalities and better fuel management. We did manage to manufacture first time in our history. Malayo pa. Pag si Robin, kaya pa natin, eh. So yan, palakpakan ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Oh, ganun dapat, no? Biruin mo, pang malakasan, di ba? Oy! Asa na? Baka sabihin mo, wala tayong padarna dyan, eh. Oh, di ba? Shout out, Tita May. So, proceed na tayo ha. Sakto naman eh. May boses. Parang boses ni Romualdez yun. I will not go down in the history of the Philippines that... Ganun, ganun lang yun eh. Diba? Yung nakababa lang daw yung kamay eh. Ganun lang oh. Natanggal. Ay nako. Puro kasi kaya ba natanggal tuloy. Sige. Okay na yan. Proceed tayo dito. Ay. Damak. Ano sabi dito? Ito mukhang good news. Puro good news pa lang tayo ha. Ginanahan tuloy ako eh. Hindi, good news pa rin tayo. Sabi dito, ng Billionaire News Channel, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. met on Tuesday with the top executives of Damak Digital to discuss the proposed investment in the Philippines, including plans to establish what could be the country's largest data center in Laguna Province. Marcos backs plan to build biggest data center in the Philippines. Parang alam ko tapos na yan. Alam ko tapos na yan eh. Tita Maris! Tapos na to eh. Di ba? Parang meron na tayo nito eh. Isa nga to sa pinagmamalaki natin. Check natin. Ano ba yung sunod dyan? Ay. Mali. Bakit? Sige. Puro good news na lang ah. Oy. Mali. Ano yan? So, sa panahon ng Duterte, kahit isang bangka, walang nabili. Puro patayan lang daw doon sa admin. Sabi ko, wag na kayo magkukumpara eh. Ayan, no? Roger. Sabi ni PBBM, oh. Paano naman natin maano to? Ano yung detail nito? Bakit hindi pa tayo gumawa ng ano natin?